extend a warm welcome to the guests, invitees, parents, guardians of our graduates, staff, and the students to the graduation ceremony of Father Muller Charitable Institution 2026. I kindly request that our esteemed guests take their seats as the graduation ceremony will commence shortly.
Some general instructions to all the guests before we begin. Kindly request the guests to refrain moving in and out of the auditorium during the solemn ceremony. Keep your mobile phones on silent or on airplane mode. Live streaming of the ceremony is available on the institutional website. An official photographer will be taking photos. Hence, kindly do not come forward to take any photos. E-tables are not allowed inside the auditorium. Arrangements of water dispensers have been made at the side of the aisle. Those with little children, we humbly request you to please keep them from coming forward and disturbing the stage program.
Have been touching the lives of people of coastal Karnataka for 145 long years. This institution was founded by late Reverend Father Augustus Muller in the year 1880 and now stands out as a hallmark of medical education and service in the country and is one of the few institutions to be accredited by several national bodies. With our motto, Heal and Comfort, Father Muller Charitable Institutions runs more than 14 institutions relating to health and education with more than 2,000 students and over 2,500 employees spread over 5 campuses.
Today, Father Muller Hospital is a 1,500-bedded establishment with sophisticated precision equipment, state-of-the-art facilities, specialty and super specialty services, along with highly experienced and dedicated staff, making it a world-class medical establishment. The Father Muller Group of institutions provides an ideal and conducive ground for grooming young students into medical, paramedical and nursing graduates who learn the nuances of medicine. The training here goes beyond academics. It induces creativity and nurtures innate talent. Our students go out into society with a cognitive spirit and become healers who work with love and compassion, faithful to our motto, to heal and comfort.
Today, we'll be felicitating 518 graduates from the Father Muller Medical College, College of Allied Health Sciences, and College of Physiotherapy. The graduation ceremony began in the morning with the Eucharistic celebration in our chapel, and the solemn event was presided over by His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of the Mangalore Diocese and President of the Father Muller Charitable Institutions. Our chief guests for today are Honorable Professor Dr. Irani Muhammad Khan, Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, and Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director, Directorate of Medical Education, Government of Karnataka.
The Father Muller Charitable Institutions Graduation 2026 Procession is being led by the institution flag bearer, Dr. Anil Shetty, Professor and Head of the Department of Pediatrics, Father Muller Medical College. Representing Father Muller Medical College is the student flag bearer, Mr. Shashank Shrey, President of the Student Council. Representing Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences is Mr. Sohan V. Rao, President of the Student Council. And representing Father Muller College of Physiotherapy is Ms. Vamshika, President of the Student Council.
The procession is led by the band from the Father Muller College of Nursing, with Ms. Anugraha Sunny serving as the band leader. The bandmaster for the procession is Mr. Vijay Kumar Oliveira. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request you to kindly rise as the procession of graduates and dignitaries led by the College of Nursing Band enters the auditorium. Thank you. Kindly be seated.
The dignitaries will proceed to offer a floral tribute to our founder, late Reverend Father Augustus Muller, as a mark of our deep respect and gratitude. Thank you, sirs and madam.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now invoke the blessings of the Lord Almighty. As we begin this auspicious event, may I invite the students of the Father Muller College of Physiotherapy to lead us in prayer. Please remain standing for the invocation.
You see me.
Thank you. Please be seated.
I now request Reverend Dr. Michael Santumayer, convener of the graduation committee, Dr. Anthony Silvan D'Souza, Dean of the Medical College, Dr. Shivashankara A.R., Principal of College of Allied Health Sciences, and Professor Cherishma De Silva, Principal of College of Physiotherapy, to escort our dignitaries to the dais.
We have in our midst His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of the Mangalore Diocese, and the President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. We are honored to have with us our chief guest for today, Honorable Professor Dr. Airani Mohammad Khan, Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, and Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director, Directorate of Medical Education, Government of Karnataka.
We also have Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, and Reverend Father George Jeevan Sikwera, Administrator of Father Muller Medical College Hospital. Also, we are graced by Dr. Venkatesh BM, Vice Dean of Medical College, and Dr. Uday Kumar, Medical Superintendent, Father Muller Medical College Hospital. We welcome you all. I now request Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to welcome the gathering and introduce today's honorable chief guests.
Your Excellency, Reverend Fathers, distinguished dignitaries on the days and off the days, members of the governing board, management and advisory committees, respected faculty, dear parents, beloved graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. It is with the profound joy and deep gratitude that I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one gathered here today to witness and celebrate this solemn and momentous occasion, the graduation day of our esteemed institutions. On this auspicious day, my thoughts turn to the Gospel according to St. Luke, where our Lord Jesus Christ proclaims his mission. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to bring good news to the poor, to proclaim liberty to the captives and give sight to the blind, to set the oppressed free and to proclaim the year of the Lord's favor. These sacred words find a beautiful resonance in today's celebration. Dear graduates, as you receive your degrees, you are now entrusted with a noble calling to go forth into the world as instruments of healing and hope. You are called to bring health where there is suffering, clarity where there are myths and misconceptions, dignity where it is diminished, and freedom where people remain bound by ignorance and fear. Through your knowledge, compassion, and service, you will indeed usher in Lord's year of mercy for humanity. Today marks a significant milestone, an achievement for our undergraduates and a stepping stone for our postgraduates. With the same wisdom and perseverance that has earned you your place here, I welcome you into a new chapter of responsibility and purpose. Father Muller Medical College, a beacon of excellence in medical education, stands tall in its legacy of ethical practice and compassionate care. Notably, it began its postgraduate MD programs as early as 1991, well before the commencement of the MBBS program in 1999, reflecting its deep-rooted commitment to advanced medical learning and the healing ministry of Christ. Here, education has never been confined to textbooks. It has been a formation of hearts and minds. To our medical graduates, remember, healing goes beyond curing disease. It is about touching lives with empathy, patience, and humility. Let your white coat be a symbol not just of knowledge, but of your unwavering commitment to humanity. Every procurement, be it the latest Russian-made Pirogov virtual dissection, to the high-end MRI or ultrasound machines, or the best in pharmaceutical practices, and the ethnic day, adrenaline events, was for your betterment and the future of our students too. I'm proud to see the list of MD, MS, Rajiv Gandhi University ranks too. Your striving in seeking a clearer path in medical field has brought you laurels, and let us, your hands, heal justly. Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences stands as the backbone of modern health care, whether in medical imaging, laboratory sciences, anesthesia technology, hospital administration, or psychology. You are the silent pillars who ensure the seamless functioning of healthcare systems. With the inauguration of your new campus at Bajodi this March, your horizons have expanded and your aspirations have found new wings. The college has multiple courses and a huge student body intake, but you have to put the metal in the metal and strive hard to be in the healthcare realm. Be proud that today healthcare is a teamwork, and so it will be your responsibility too. Dear graduates, though your work may often be behind the scenes, its impact is profound and life-changing. May your precision, dedication, and compassion guide you always. Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, which began in 1994 and attained independent status in 2022, continues its mission of restoring movement, alleviating pain, and renewing hope. Our physiotherapy graduates, you possess the extraordinary ability to rebuild lives. Through your healing hands and scientific expertise, you will restore strength and inspire resilience. Carry forward this mission with humility and gratitude. Proud that your active participation in your social responsibility of Embolden, held every year, a day which you dedicate for the specially abled, makes your student life even more gracious. As Father Muller Charitable Institutions step into 146 years of glorious service, we celebrate not merely a history, but a legacy of faith, perseverance, and Christ's healing power. What began humbly small has grown into a global beacon of care and compassion. Dear graduates, allow me a word of reflection, like the nodes of a bamboo shoot that give it strength and structure. Each milestone in your life defines and strengthens you. As you step forward, never forget your roots, your alma mater, your struggles, and your journey. What you have received, give back. Be mentors, be lights, be torch bearers of the great institution. With great joy, I now deem it my privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. With love and honor, I extend a heartfelt welcome to Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. Bishop Saldanha has been serving as the Bishop of Mangalore since his episcopal ordination on 15 September 2018. A scholar of profound depth, he pursued his philosophical and theological formation at St. Joseph's Interdiocesan Seminary, Jaipur, and was ordained a priest on 6th May 1991. His academic journey led him to obtain a doctorate in theology from the Pontifical Urbaniana University, Rome. A shepherd known for his simplicity, listening heart, and participatory leadership, Bishop Saldanha has consistently guided the diocese and our institution with wisdom and vision. His encouragement in embracing modern advancements, including initiatives in artificial intelligence, reflects his progressive outlook rooted in service to humanity. Dear Bishop, despite your demanding pastoral and administrative responsibilities, your gracious presence with us today and even yesterday speaks volumes of your commitment and affection for this institution. We remain deeply grateful for your guidance, leadership, and blessings. With profound respect and joy, I welcome you to this graduation ceremony. I request Dr. Anthony Silvan de Souza, the Dean, Father Muller Medical College, to welcome Bishop with a sapling. It is with great honor and profound respect that we present our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Irani Muhammad Khan, the distinguished Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, an academician of exceptional brilliance, a visionary administrator, and a pioneer in the field of electronics and higher education. Born and brought up in Dharwad, Dr. Khan's journey is a testament to perseverance, intellect, and excellence. A meritorious student from the very beginning, he completed his BSc in physics with distinction from Karnataka Science College, securing one of the top ranks under Karnataka University. His academic brilliance continued as he pursued his MSc in electronics from Gulbarga University, graduating with a gold medal and university rank, followed by qualifying the prestigious UGC NET. With over 3 decades of rich experience in teaching, research, and academic leadership, Dr. Khan has left an indelible mark on the academic landscape. Beginning his career as a lecturer in electronics, he rose through the ranks to become professor and went on to serve as the longest serving chairman of the Department of Electronics at Mangalore University for an impressive 15 years. As a founding faculty member, he played a transformative role in establishing and strengthening the department, designing industry-oriented curricula, developing advanced laboratories, and forging strong collaborations with leading industries and research institutions. Before assuming the esteemed office of Vice Chancellor, Dr. Khan served in several key administrative roles, including Director of the Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation Board, Registrar Evaluation, and Director of the Skill Development Center. With over 20 years of administrative experience, he has been a member of numerous statutory bodies, including the Academic Council, Finance Committee, and Syndicate, and has chaired and contributed to over 60 committees across universities and government platforms. An accomplished researcher, Dr. Khan's areas of specialization include biomedical image processing, embedded systems, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. He has, to his credit, over 200 research publications, multiple funded projects from prestigious agencies such as DST and DAE-BRNS, and significant grants including major funding from Centers of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. His work has also led to innovations and patents in cutting-edge technological domains. His global academic outlook is reflected in international collaborations with institutions such as Indiana University of Pennsylvania and Cardiff Metropolitan University, as well as partnerships with premier national organizations including ISRO and NAL. He has also successfully guided numerous PhD scholars and mentored generations of students, many of whom have excelled in industry and research. A recipient of several honors, including the Best Teacher Award and the Outstanding Scientist Award, Dr. Khan's contribution to academia and society are both vast and impactful. His leadership continues to inspire innovation, excellence, and transformative growth in higher education. Professor Dr. A.M. Khan stands before us today as a towering figure in academia, an embodiment of knowledge, leadership, and unwavering commitment to educational advancement. We welcome you, sir. I request Reverend Father Michael Santumaya, the Administrator, Father Muller Medical College, Allied Health Sciences and Physiotherapy, to welcome Dr. Irani with a sapling. It is my proud privilege to present our guest of honor, Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, an eminent academician, distinguished medical legal expert, and visionary administrator who currently serves as the Joint Director, Directorate of Medical Education, Govt of Karnataka. A scholar of remarkable depth and distinction, Dr. Raghava holds an MBBS and MD in forensic medicine, complemented by a postgraduate diploma in medical law and ethics from the prestigious National Law School of India University. His pursuit of excellence is further reflected in his fellowship in analytical toxicology from Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. Over the years, Dr. Raghava has emerged as a guiding force in the domain of forensic medicine and toxicology, contributing richly to academic and policy frameworks at both state and national levels. He has been an esteemed member of the Postgraduate Curriculum Committee in Forensic Medicine under the National Medical Commission and has played a defining role in shaping medical education through his tenure on the boards of studies for undergraduate and postgraduate programs at the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, where he also served on the Academic Council. A committed public servant, Dr. Raghava rendered exemplary service during the COVID-19 pandemic, playing a pivotal role in the hospital bed management system in Bangalore, an effort that earned him the Distinguished COVID Warrior Award and recognition from premier institutions. An academician par excellence, he has curated Vivida, a state-of-the-art museum in forensic medicine and toxicology, including a unique ballistic section exemplifying innovation in medical education, with over 20 publications in reputed national and international journals and more than 40 invited lectures delivered at conferences and academic fora. His contributions continue to inspire and influence generations. His illustrious journey has been adorned with several honors, including the prestigious B.C. Roy Award, among numerous recognitions for his outstanding contributions to forensic medicine and public health. Dr. S. Venkata Raghava stands before us today as a symbol of scholarly excellence, professional integrity, and dedicated service to society. We welcome you, sir. I request Reverend Father George Jeevan Sequeira, the Administrator, Father Muller Medical College Hospital, to welcome Dr. Raghava with a sapling. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge and express my deep appreciation to the members of the governing board, the pillars of our institution, and to our dedicated faculty who tirelessly shape the minds and futures of our students. I extend my gratitude to the management committee members of the Father Muller Centenary Charitable Institutions, the administrators, the assistant administrators, the dean, the principals, the religious sisters, the advisory committee members, the government officials, the faculty, the administrative and the support staff, and our security personnel. My sincere thanks also to the print and electronic media for your continued support. To the parents and guardians, I offer my heartfelt gratitude. Your trust in us and your unwavering support have played a vital role in shaping these young professionals. And finally, dear graduates, you are the pride of this institution, are ambassadors of hope. As you step into the world, carry with you not only knowledge, but also compassion and integrity. I leave you with a prayerful thought from the book of Proverbs. It is on wisdom. Blessed are those who listen to me, for those who find me find life and receive favor from the Lord. The meaning of these words: the wisdom of God speaks to the beginner taking his first steps in search of wisdom. For who is the beginner? A person who wants to better their situation. May your lives be filled with purpose to heal, to comfort, and to spread joy. Once again, I welcome you all, and I wish everyone a meaningful and memorable graduation day. Welcome, all of you.
Thank you, Father.
I now request Dr. Anthony Sylvan de Souza, Dean, Father Muller Medical College, Dr. Shivashankara A.R., Principal, Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences, and Professor Cherishma de Silva, Principal of Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, to present the brief annual reports of their respective colleges.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, all the distinguished guests and students in front of the stage. Good evening, and I'm here to present a brief report of the Father Muller Medical College for the year gone by. A detailed report has been shared with you in a booklet form, with all the parents in fact, booklet form which you can go through gradually. The soft copy of the same is shared with the heads of the departments as well. As you all know, Father Muller Medical College is a unit of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. As mentioned in the welcome address by our beloved director, we started our postgraduate program in the year 1991 and the MBBS program in the year 1999. FMMC is affiliated to the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. We have in total 20 general specialty postgraduate programs. We also have 7 super specialty programs, 5 PhD programs, which you can see in the screen, and the 4 new courses which we have applied to the National Medical Commission. In fact, the last date is only on 20th of this month, that's Monday, and we are awaiting for the approval of the forensic medicine, the hand surgery, which is MCH, interventional radiology and cardiology courses. In the year gone by, we have secured more than 90% result for all the MBBS years, more than 88% for the general specialty postgraduate program, and 100% result for the super specialty postgraduate examination. As we give importance to the academics, first let me go through the rank holders in the university examinations. In the super specialty program, we have Dr. Bhargavi Rama Bojaraju, who secured 4th rank in DM nephrology. Dr. Diljit Bodra, 6th rank in DM nephrology program. Dr. Abu T, in the neurology program, he secured 7th rank. Dr. Iyer Vignesh Sampath, DM neurology program, 8th rank. Dr. Sajal Gupta, MCH urology, 9th rank. In fact, 5 ranks went to our students, only 6 of them appeared for the examination. The postgraduate rank holders for the PG medical examination, which was conducted in September 2025. Dr. Swati N, MD dermatology, venerology and leprosy, secured the 1st rank for the gold for the university and was awarded the gold medal by the Rajiv Gandhi University. Dr. Shilpa in MS OBG secured the 1st rank and also the gold medal by the Rajiv Gandhi University. The first 3 ranks in OBG, in fact, were secured by Father Muller Medical College. Dr. H.S. Sukruta secured 2nd rank and Dr. Kesia Pauline secured 3rd rank in MS OBG. Dr. Vishwas L.S. secured 4th rank in the MD radio diagnosis examination. Dr. Vaishnavi Ballal secured 5th rank in the MD psychiatry examination. Dr. Tasneem Shahjahan, 6th rank in MS otorhinolaryngology. And Dr. Zaiba Iram, MD radiation oncology, 6th rank. Dermatology is another subject we secured 3 ranks. Dr. Ankita Adika secured 7th rank, and Dr. Divya Madonna D'Souza 10th rank. The MBBS student ranks, I am going to go through only for the graduating class. There would have been multiple ranks secured by many other students as well. From the graduating class, we have Dr. Krutika Sagari Nayak, who secured MBBS overall 8th rank, final MBBS Part 1 5th rank, Part 2 7th rank. She also secured Pharmacology 8th rank, ENT 6th rank, and OBG 3rd rank. Dr. Kirti Bhatt in Pharmacology, she secured 5th rank. Dr. Siddharth Holla in Pharmacology secured 9th rank. Dr. Janish Ashita Lobo, Ophthalmology 3rd rank. Dr. A. Ganesh, Ophthalmology 10th rank. Dr. Sania Velani DeCosta, Community Medicine 10th rank. We have Dr. Shreya Rao, who secured 5th rank in the obstetrics and gynecology, and Dr. Supriya Vinisha Krasta, who secured 10th rank in pediatrics. Some of the important events which were conducted by Father Muller Medical College. A scholarship award ceremony was held on 24th of March 2025. The Student Council 24-25 investiture ceremony was organized on 2nd April 2025. Mr. Shashank Shrey was elected as the Student Council President. The graduation ceremony for the last year was held on 4th of April. Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Senior Medical Specialist, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and Dr. Bhagavan BC, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Mangaluru, were the chief guests. Doctor's Day was celebrated on 1st of July 2025. Dr. Jayaprakash Alva, former Dean, Father Muller Medical College, was felicitated. We bid farewell to the dedicated service of Reverend Father Ajit B. Menages on the 2nd of August. He was the administrator of the Father Muller Medical College, Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, and Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences. We extended a cordial welcome to Reverend Dr. Michael Santamayer as administrator of FMMC, Allied Health Science College, and the Physiotherapy College, which was held on 4th of August. Ethnic Day, Utsav 2025, was celebrated on 5th of September 2025. MBBS batch 25-26 was inaugurated on 11th of October 2025. Excellence Award ceremony was held on 29th of November, and students from various batches were awarded. The postgraduate program, where 131 general specialty postgraduates were admitted, it was inaugurated on 10th March 2026. Release of annual magazine, Muller Pulse, was on 16th March 2026. Student Council for the year 25-26 was inaugurated on 16th of March. Mr. Arjun A. Baipaditaya was elected as the Students' Council President. Father Muller Research Center. Father Muller Research Center is actively engaged in various research activities, and we have internal and external grants amounting to 5.6 crores per annum. Father Muller Research Center has also established collaborations with multiple organizations including ICMR, DST, DBT, etc. Currently, there are 143 ongoing research projects, out of which 58 with institutional grant, 74 are externally funded, and there are also 11 clinical trials in progress. Muller Research Week 2025 was organized by FMRC from 9th to 14th of June 2025. Sports and Games, University Shuttle Badminton for Men and Women tournament was organized on 23rd and 24th of July. In the same event, I am happy to announce that our ladies team won the first place and the women's team won the second place. In the swimming, Mr. Vaibhav Sheth secured individual championship, as well as the Father Muller team bagged 8 gold medals and 1 silver medal. In the university level Mangaluru zone basketball for men, we were placed first. Represented the university in the South Zone inter-university hockey. Mr. Chirag Mudraje and Mr. Atish Shetty represented the university in the South Zone inter-university chess for men. Thank you very much. As I mentioned, detailed report is available to you in your seats, as well as in the electronically they have been sent to the departments. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am here to present the brief report of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences as a principal. His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, the presiding officer of today's function, the chief guests, Professor A.M. Khan and Dr. Venkata Raghava, respected director, all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and dear friends. Our sanctioned UG seats are 280. We have the new campus opened up in Bajodi, the photo of what you are seeing now. So we have 2 campuses, one in Konkani and one in Bajodi. We have a total number of 11 UG courses, 3 PG courses, MSc in Medical Laboratory Technology, MSc Medical Imaging Technology, and Master of Hospital Administration. Total intake of PGs is 65. Altogether, we have 894 students for this academic year of 2026. Before proceeding further, I took over as the principal of this college on 20th November 2025 from Dr. Hilda Fernandez, Professor of Pathology. I would like to gratefully acknowledge Madam's contribution as a principal. We have got many ranks in RGHS exams. I am not going to read the list. It is available in the detailed report. We have UG overall 7 and year-wise 31 ranks, and PG overall 11 ranks. We have few students performing exceptionally well in the extracurricular and co-curricular activities, and one of them, a notable, is Mr. Renoy Anthony Oliveira, who has got first prize in an international research concept competition on Drosophila and neurosciences, organized by the University of Toronto, and he is the only winner from India. We have some exceptional achievements from sports. Mr. Rebin Reji awarded the sport Rupesh Raghunath Prabhu represented the RGHS team in Kabaddi. Our students have won overall championship in the RGHS Kabaddi tournament. We continue with our research excellence. We have got 5 short-term research grants for our undergraduates. from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. We have a total of 12 faculty qualified with PhD in Allied Health Science College, and this year, 3 of our faculty, Dr. Omkareshwar Patil, Dr. Nirmala Kumari, and Dr. Glenn Pinto have been awarded with PhD. And happy to say that 9 of our faculty are pursuing PhD right now. We have 19 research publications in the journals in 1 year. Various faculty have shown exceptional awards. One of them is Dr. Anupa Shenai of Clinical Psychology, won a first prize for her poster in the international conference. I myself appointed as a member of Board of Studies for PG, AHS in RGHS, and Board of Studies for AH in the Yenapoya deemed to be university. We have many events organized this year. I am just mentioning a few which are exclusively organized by the Allied College. Few other events are along with the medical college, so I am not mentioning right now. 22 events in 1 year, which included various conferences, workshops, trainings, symposia, Freshers' Day, Student Council inauguration, Research Club inauguration, and Research Ignition Day. The Scientia, the annual National Conference of Medical Laboratory Technology, was organized for the 15th time in association with the Karnataka Allied Health Association. Departments of Hospital Administration, it is celebrating the Pearl Jubilee this year, and it has organized so many events. In addition to that, respiratory care technology, optometry, renal dialysis technology, cardiac care technology, they have organized various CMEs, workshops, and symposia. We have organized a capacity building workshop for our faculty to guide the students, research orientation for the interns, and awarded the best research works of our students. We have conducted the basic course in Allied Health Science Education, one of its first kind for the Allied faculty, to train our faculty in teaching, learning, and assessment skills, and orientation to the new curriculum which is coming up, the National Commission for Allied Healthcare Profession. Friends, this is a brief report. Thank you all for the patient listening. I would like to thank the management and all of you for the kind support. Thank you.
The Lord has done great things for us, and thus we are glad. A very good evening to respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, my dear graduates. It's my privilege to present the academic report for the year 2025-26 of Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, a year marked by growth, achievement, and continued excellence in every sphere. This will be a brief overview of our annual progress, and a more detailed account is provided in the annual report handouts you have received. From its humble beginnings in the year 1967 as a clinical service department of physiotherapy at Father Muller Hospital, we have grown into a full-fledged academic and clinical discipline. With the introduction of bachelor's and master's program and also the continuous expansion, we have evolved into Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, a center of excellence today. The Bachelor's in Physiotherapy program marks a significant milestone of 32 years, and Master's in Physiotherapy program completes 21 years of academic excellence. Over the years, the institution has steadily expanded its academic capacity with an increased undergraduate and postgraduate intake from 60 to 100 of BPT students. We are a dynamic team of just 19 dedicated faculty members committed to excellence in teaching, clinical training, and holistic student development. The college continues to maintain a strong and steady growing academic community with 363 undergraduates and 37 postgraduate students, bringing our total strength to 400. The institution continues to maintain strong academic performance, reflected in high pass percentages and a commendable number of distinctions across all batches. Our students have brought great pride to the institution by securing university ranks across both undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Ms. Gwen, Ms. Donna, and Ms. Bhumika at the undergraduate level, and Ms. Lidwin, 4th rank, and Ms. Aishwarya, 10th rank as Masters in Cardiopulmonary Sciences. Ms. Divya, 4th rank, and Ms. Apurva has secured 6th rank and Masters in Pediatric Physiotherapy in the University Examination of Rajiv Gandhi Health Sciences. The students have demonstrated active involvement in research with multiple complete in 2026 workshop on radiology fundamentals and our industrial visit to KMF Mangalore. Our community and outreach engagements goes as a part of World Physiotherapy Day 2025, a month-long outreach drive was conducted for all the teachers across Mangalore with the initiative Move Well and Teach Well, focusing on posture care, ergonomics and preventive exercises. On the occasion of World Down Syndrome Day 2025, an event was conducted with the theme Together Against Loneliness. It saw an active participation from 300 special school children and 100 special school teachers and featured competitive cultural events that promoted inclusion, awareness, and social collection. Coming to our extension services, the institution extends its services through 2 dedicated centers, the new one being Father Muller Salvador Montero Rural Health Training Center and Father Muller Hospital Tumbe, ensuring continued delivery of accessible community-based healthcare. With this, we conclude our report. Thank you for being an integral part of this journey and for your continued support in shaping the future of physiotherapy. We express a sincere gratitude to the management for their vision, the staff for their dedication, the students for their enthusiasm, and their parents for their constant encouragement. Together, you make a progress possible. Thank you.
Thank you, sirs and madam.
Today, we have with us Honorable Professor Dr. Irani Mohammad Khan, Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, who has come all this way for this auspicious ceremony, despite his busy schedule. It is indeed a great privilege to have you, sir, in our midst today. Sir, may I now request you to kindly deliver the graduation address.
Good evening to all of you. Namaskar. Respected President of the Graduation Ceremony 2026, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha ji, Guest of Honor of this graduation ceremony, the Joint Director of Directorate of Medical Education, Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Director of FMCI, Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Dean of Father Muller Medical College, Dr. Anthony Silvan de Souza, Administrators, Father Michael Santamayor, Father George Jeevan Sequeira, Principals of Father Muller Institutions, Dr. Shiv Shankar, Dr. Charishma de Silva, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Uday Kumar, esteemed faculty members, distinguished invitees, parents of graduating students, the stars of the day, the new graduates, witnessing student friends. One person stands out, whom I should mention, members of the Governing Council and my guide and well-wisher for 30 years now, Dr. Sanjeev Rai, who is present with us here. Other invitees, ladies and gentlemen, I feel it an honor for the opportunity to address such an impressive pool of medical college students and professionals on this important day. Dear graduating class of 26, from the first day at the medical college, when you were introduced to your cadaver, you have endured countless lectures and lab hours, physical examinations and sensitivity training sessions, and ward rotations under the watchful eyes of seniors, professionals, and residents. Today, you hold something that few people are privileged to sign behind their name, the letters DR, and end your name with the words like MBBS or MD or MS, etc. And similar is the case with allied science students. This time in medicine is both a particularly exciting and particularly challenging one for doctors and health professionals. How you deal with these challenges will determine your staying power in the profession. Technological advancements have made the world more fragile and every solution accessible to common man. During your training and long hours at college and hospital, you carefully cultivated your taste for fine coffee. At first, time allowed for a daily sweet coffee, but later, as you learned the contributions of carbohydrates to your waistline, you switched only to black coffee. Good for you. No doubt, your upcoming days of practice will allow you some time to enjoy these delights a bit longer. But rest assured that by the time you call yourself a professional or a physician, you will be satisfied to drink a late night splash of automated coffee also. As you clean up the remaining work load in the hospitals or in the left over by residents who have exited the work and work hour restrictions you once enjoyed yourself. With this graduation, your sheltered medical workshop days are quickly coming to a close. While most of you think this day is about you, realize there are some very important team players that have helped you to get where you are today. First and foremost are the members of your family, especially your parents who dreamt for this day, who lived a dream every minute to see you in this form. Thank them with your good deeds and commitment to the professions. Let me for a minute request you all to give a big round of applause and applaud the efforts of your mother, your father. Efforts of your mother, your father. Thank you. They have encouraged you, guided you, spent sleepless nights to see you become a medical profession, and likely funded much of your way to this point. And the funding for medical schooling has been very significant. For those of you who did not have a family member to support you, realize that you have a loan to be paid back with interest and in installments. But there is some good news. For the first time ever, instead of paying it to the healthcare education system, the healthcare system will start giving you back and paying you. Admittedly, at a very low rate, but at least it's the first tiny step in the right financial direction. Hopefully, by gaining additional clinical experience, you will finally allow you to make a bit higher salary than many other professions. Fortunately, each of you began life as a medical student doctor in the growing age of information technology. Anything you were taught is possible with enough of big data. But more data is not always better data. More data can confuse and obfuscate. More data might not be important data. All that data comes at a cost to you. Repetitive motion injuries and long struggles during your professional days. You see, big data and artificial intelligence has a lot of information you created through your keyboard, iPads, mouse clicks, or Google. And since big data must now allow as a myriad of new procedures and diagnosis codes that you must learn. Residency is not only a time to master disease states, but also a time to master your typing and coding skills, and I hope you all have done that. Whatever you do, don't let AI detract you from what matters to you most, your patient. And dear graduates of physiotherapy and allied sciences, when you start this journey, you knew it would be rigorous. Allied health science isn't just about understanding the science. It's about being the meticulous lab technologist, the perceptive radiographer, the empathetic therapist, or the meticulous nutritionist. It's about the silent work behind the scenes that change the outcome of a patient's life. Over the past few years, you have seen tight deadlines, complex cases, and long clinical rotations. And that training has taught you to be tough and resilient, always having each other's back. You have learned that the practice of science is a deeply personal human endeavor, and you are a big support to the doctors as well. The hope for patients when they look upon you for the right support to be able to walk back into the life they once enjoyed. Dear allied science professionals, as you step into your careers, remember that you are often the first to see the diagnosis, the ones who help patients walk again, or the ones who make life healthier. Never underestimate your role. Your work is a gift of hope to people when things look dark. My dear medical graduates, your greatest challenge as a newly minted doctor in this information age of AI will be to put your cell phone down. Looking up from its glowing screen will let you see your patient's downward stare as they tell you their deepest personal secrets. If recognized, a trusting doctor-patient relationship will blossom. If missed, a feeling that you didn't care may result. Remember that despite what the information technology zealots have been telling you, patients are not digital widgets, but analog, non-linear feeling creatures who demand respect and intelligence. If you remember this, you will go far. Many of you will be switching to new cities and new institutions to begin your career at a highly esteemed medical college now that you have matched. As you work to learn the clinical side of medicine, stay flexible. Fellowship positions are getting harder to come by as cuts for income for specialists continue. So hang on to those moving boxes. They might be needed sooner than you think. Honing hospitality skills will probably be a wise choice too. And be prepared to have your heart broken. People will die despite your best efforts. Complications occur even to the most skilled and most cautious. Administrators will tell you to do things a certain way when you know that way is inefficient, but it pays your salary. People will deny payments for things that you know they shouldn't. A single malpractice lawsuit, even if ultimately found to be unwarranted, will forever change you, not for the better, but for the worse. And your wife and kids, your family will still be affected when you arrive home late. After missing your daughter's dance class, even though she says, "That's okay, Dad, that's okay, Mom." But despite all these realities, there remain some wonderful aspects of medicine. People still will look up to you. People will still respect you, what you do and what you say. People will trust you, confide in you, and appreciate your efforts. You can do amazing things for people if you don't let the system get you down. Get involved in the process. Work to set the needs of a patient before that of the system and will usually be rewarded. But in the end, that is what really matters. So go forward, not with artificial glow about all that you have achieved, but with the stark reality of what lies ahead. Technological interventions will make life harder for doctors and medical professionals since they are rapidly transforming healthcare, shifting models from reactive treatment to proactive, personalized, and predictive care. Key innovations include telemedicine, artificial intelligence, robotic surgery, nanotechnology, health apps, wearables, 3D printing, and remote monitoring. So these days, we require not just a doctor, but an engineering doctor whose diagnostic accuracy will improve the patient's outcome. But technology will not provide the emotions, human values, or the solace of the word that you can touch upon. These are challenging times for doctors as you increasingly encounter efforts to devalue all you have learned and experienced. Work to make the system better. Stay strong, work hard, and appreciate all that you have got. After all, there is lot to go still into life when lot of things will change. The way you look at the patients, the way you work in hospitals, and the way the patients react will always be changing. And the best thing that can happen is always a change. There's a plenty of people who'd still give anything to be in your shoes. I wish all of you will follow that what was read out in the prayer before, that you are everything, and the belief in God will remain long in your career. Good luck and God bless each one of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your precious inputs to our dear students. Your presence here is an inspiration to all of us.
I now invite Honorable Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director, Directorate of Medical Education, Government of Karnataka, to kindly address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President-FMCI, sir, Professor Dr. Irani Muhammad Khan, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, FMCI, Reverend Dr. Michael L. Santumayor, Administrator, FMMC, FMCOH and FMCOP, Reverend Father George Jeevan Sikvera, Administrator, FMMCH, Dr. Anthony Silvan D'Souza, Dean, FMMC, Dr. Shivshankarayar, Principal, FMCOAHS, Professor Cherishma De Silva, Principal, FMCOP, Dr. Uday Kumar Sir, Medical Superintendent and my Senior in Forensic, FM Superintendent, FMMCH, faculty members, proud parents, I wanted to add one more word, proud and relieved parents who are sitting here, and heroes and heroines of the day, the graduating students, and my dear forensic brothers, Dr. Nagesh and Harish Gowda, who are sitting in the audience. I am very happy to be part of this August ceremony. ಸುಮಾರು 146 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಹಗಲು ಇರುಳು ಎನ್ನದೆ ರೋಗಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿರುವ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಹಳೆಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರುವ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸೇವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಭದ್ರ ಬುನಾದಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿರುವ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಾಗೂ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಅತಿ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಹೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಎಂಬ 2 ಸೇವಾ ಆಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪೂರ್ವಜನ್ಮ ಸುಕೃತ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ಮರಿಹಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಗೂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದಿರಿ. ಇಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಾರಲು ಪರವಾನಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸುದಿನ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವ ಸವಾಲುಗಳು ಅನೇಕ. ಮೊದಲು PG, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ, ಮದುವೆಗೆ ರಾಜಿ, ನಂತರ ಸಂಸಾರದ ಗಜಿಬಿಜಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರುತ್ತಾರೆ LKG, ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಗಿಜಿಗಿಜಿ. ಏನೇ ಆದರೂ ಮರೆಯಬೇಡಿ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ 2 ಲೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದೆ ChatGPT ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳುವಂತಾಗಬಾರದು ಅಪಾಲಜಿ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಷಯ. Heal the sick, cleanse the lepers, freely you have received, freely give. This is chapter 10 and verse 8 said by Matthew. So this you should remember. And what are the challenges to be faced? Long hours and physical exhaustion. You have to do the duty from 24 to 36 hours. Emotional stress and burnt out because you are dealing with the terminally ill patients. High responsibility. You have to make quick judgments and you will be responsible for all the outcomes. And communication challenges. You have to deliver the bad news to the relatives of the patient that the patient is going to die in few seconds. Work-life balance, you might miss, as Sir told, dance class if you are a daughter, miss family events, less sleep, academic and career pressure, postgraduate entrance exams. We have completed PG, you have to do super specialty, constant need to update knowledge and competitions for specialization. You will open a clinic as pediatrician. After few days, somebody will open a clinic as pedio-neuroendocrinology. So the competition starts for you. And medico-legal concerns. As a forensic expert, so lot of medico-legal cases are coming up, medical cases of medical negligence against the doctor, violence against the doctor. You should be ready. How you should be ready? You should update yourself. You should be well aware of the law of the land. And you should know how to execute the power. Many times I feel our doctors lack in the executing the power. If you compare to other people, as a doctors or physiotherapists or other medical fraternity, we are confined to only our field. We don't know much about the other fields. So that is one drawback we are facing. And resource constraints. Many times we won't be having the proper resources. We have to work in a limited infrastructure. That also you have to learn. You may go to a rural setup where you have 200 patients, where you have only staff nurse working with you. You should learn how to work. Financial delays, late financial independence. Your friend, engineering friend, may take his family to very expensive place in Bahamas. You have to take your family to Bandipur. but it doesn't make difference. After a few days, definitely you are going to get all the rewards, because please remember, you are serving the humanity. Next challenge is, all these days, we used to fight only with the people with natural intelligence. Now we have to fight with artificial intelligence. So it is your art, how you are converting into the blessing and you are willing to fight. You may study mechanism as a physiologist, metabolism as a biochemist, organism as a microbiologist, embolism as pathologist or general surgeon, cadaveric spasm as forensic expert, hyperthyroidism as physician, cretinism as pediatrician, autism as neurologist. But please remember, what you need is optimism, optimism and optimism. And you should never bother about any criticism. That is very important. Do your best and leave it to Almighty. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as working for the Lord. Colossians chapter 3 and verse 23. ತನ್ನೊಳಗಿರುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅರಿಯದೆ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಬೆನ್ನಟ್ಟಿ ಅಲದಾಡುವುದೇಕೆ? ನಿನ್ನೊಳಗಿನ ಬಲವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆಂಬಲ, ಅದರ ಅರಿವು ಬದುಕಿನ ಸಫಲತೆ. ಓ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ DVG Kannada poet. Without realizing the strength within yourself, why do you wander depending on others? Your true support lies within you. Understanding this is the key to success in life. Also said in Bhagavad Gita, Karmanye Vadikaraste, Ma Paleshu Kadachana, Ma Karvapala Herturbhutva, Te Sangosva Karmani. So you have to do your work. That is very important. You should remember the following 5 P's. You should be always positive, have patience, have passion towards your subject, have perfection, and you have to be very peaceful. So many times I come across a lot of suicides and other things where people will be telling stress, anxiety, panic, depression and everything. So recently I read an article, very beautifully explained. He says, what is stress? When wife is pregnant, it is stress. What is anxiety? Girlfriend is pregnant, it is anxiety. What is panic? When both are pregnant, it is panic. What is depression? When you are not responsible. So what I mean to tell, it is depends on you to choose which. So please avoid the stress. It is for everyone in this modern era, we can't avoid stress. Then here, it was a very surprise thing for me to come to this one. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾದಂಥ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಚಿವರಾದಂಥ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಕಾರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರು ಬರಲಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅವರ ದಕ್ಷ ಆಡಳಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 22 ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು 11 ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಈ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಲಿ, ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬುನಾದಿ ಹಾಡಲಿ. And I want to acknowledge a beautiful tune by the band, Money Heist tune which they played. It was very nice. I want to congratulate on the singers on the stage who really played it well. Thank you. Ellargu namaskara. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate.
Thank you, sir, for motivating and enlightening the minds of our students.
I now warmly welcome His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions and Bishop of the Mangalore Diocese, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, the Director of FMCI, Professor Dr. Irani Muhammad Khan, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, and Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director of Directorate of the Medical Education Government of Karnataka, and administrators, all the august faculty here and the members of the governing body, and especially all the invitees, student body, parents, and everyone present here. This evening is certainly an evening filled with electricity. electricity within us of joy, a certain amount of satisfaction that you have, students, that you have achieved something, that you are able to communicate that joy to your parents, to your friends, to your family members, to your companions, colleagues, and this joy rippling up and sending waves of joy to one another, and we all part of that. And I thank and congratulate each and every one of you who have come to this milestone, and God has brought you up to here, and we are happy for that. Today is not just a celebration of the academic achievement, it is a celebration of a particular purpose you had when you entered the portals of this august institution. And today you go out, or some of you perhaps remain back for the post-graduation in the MBBS, in the allied health sciences and physiotherapy. You have slogged, you have worked hard, and you have stepped careful steps one after another to come to this level of achievement. It has been already narrated what are the things that you are going to face in life. A lot of challenges these days, and our patients or people are well informed in many ways, and they go for a second opinion or a third opinion. They get sufficient amount of information about their own sicknesses, and you cannot just take things for granted. And therefore, continual updation, as it is said, and onward study is a must, as you know. Father Muller Charitable Institutions has always upheld the noble motto of healing and comforting. Healing, of course, these are not mere words. It is a holistic healing. It goes beyond curing diseases. It is about restoring dignity, hope, and strength. Certain diseases cannot be healed, you know. What cannot be cured has to be endured, it is said. But then there should be a strength to endure, and that strength can be communicated by you. Comforting goes beyond easing pain. Just some medicine that you give to reduce the pain, but that's not comforting. It is about being present, listening, and offering reassurance when it is needed the most. So ultimately, the human powers that are there, the divine powers that are put into you by your Creator, they will be at play when you meet one another, especially when you meet your prospective patients. You have to reduce their fear, you have to reduce their anxieties, you have to build up their hopes, and they have to narrate a joyful story of their own life. Your hands will treat, but your words and your empathy will truly heal. In a world driven by technology and artificial intelligence and rapid advancement, never lose sight of the human touch that defines your profession. I think this is the one profession that has the hand as a powerful instrument. A little touch, a little pat, and a little caress sometimes to the little children, to the elderly. When a doctor does this gesture, they feel in a lot of hope. You are the now ambassadors of care and compassion and integrity. Let your knowledge guide you, your values anchor you, and your empathy distinguish you as you are somebody unique. When a doctor is there at home, there's a lot of comfort in the family itself. If anything goes wrong, we have a doctor at home, and at least to diagnose and to direct. I'm sure your presence in the family is a great amount of consolation, and your presence in the society, in the neighborhood also brings healing and comforting. May your work bring light into the lives of so many. I congratulate each and every one of you for your achievement, and may your journey ahead be one of joy, purpose, and fulfillment for you and for many others. God bless you all.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Dear students, today is a milestone in your lives, a reminder of how you have grown as a doctor, a physiotherapist, an allied health professional, and even a better person. It signifies an ending, but also a beginning. It's a portal leading you through the warm memories of the past, onwards to big dreams for your future.
Today, we honor the graduates of Father Muller Charitable Institutions and bestow upon them these prestigious degrees, hoping and wishing that they use their education as their most powerful tool as they leave their alma mater to venture out into the world. I once again request the audience to kindly refrain from leaving your seats and approaching the dais to take pictures of your wards, as it may hinder the smooth proceeding of the solemn occasion. An official photographer has been appointed to capture the profiles of each of your wards.
Live streaming of the ceremony is available on the institutional website. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now commence the graduation ceremony, where we honor our graduates and bestow the degrees they have secured through their hard work and perseverance. We begin the graduation ceremony with the undergraduates of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences. May I now request Dr. Shivashankara A.R., Principal, Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences, to present the graduates of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences. I request both our dear chief guests to present the certificates to the graduates.
Good evening. Dear students, as I read out your names, please come in the sequence. We will start with BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, Miss Afifa Mohammad Ali, Miss Al Shifa. Miss Alina PT, Miss Ananya. Miss Atulya, Miss Avisha D'Souza. Miss Aisha Almas, Miss Aisha Mihal. Mr. Bharat Kumar S, Miss Charishma. Mr. Christopher George Fernandez, Miss Deepthi. Miss Drishya Mol, Mr. Jason Clever Rodriguez. Miss Jessica Gerald Serravo, Miss Jocelyn D'Souza. Miss Lidwin Cordero, Miss Livia Siquera. Miss Manjushri, Miss Mehak. Mr. Mithun Krishna K, Mr. Muhammad Hashir P. Mr. Muhammad Midlaj, Miss Nafisa Afra. Miss Nandana U, Miss Nivedita Shetty. Miss Rifa Ismail, Miss Rosmi Jose. Mr. Sanshu Soni, Mr. Shaheen C. Mr. Shravan, Miss Shruti VV. Miss T.D. Jeevita, Miss Taskin Tarab. Miss Triveni, Miss Vinita Lopez. Mr. Vivian Lobo. Next, BSc Medical Imaging Technology, Mr. Aaron John Govias, Miss Ajina Ajay. Miss Annat Sana, Miss Anusha Monis. Miss Ashmin Philo, Miss Carol Joylyn D'Souza. Miss Fida Fatima PP, Mr. Pratik Kotian. Miss Gino Grace Philip, Mr. Javel Sabo. Sister Julia Joy, Miss Muriel Yvonne Miskit. Mr. Niranjan Prasad, Miss Olivia Maria Thomas. Mr. Pratham KVM, Miss Prima D'Souza S. Miss Sai Shri P. Hulaswar, Mr. Savan Silver Saj. Miss Shayana PG, Miss Neha Joseph. Miss Tirtha PV, Miss Varsha CV. Next, BSc Radiotherapy Technology, Mr. Bhukya Mohan, Mr. Chandu Sandeep. Mr. Dave Stan D'Souza, Miss Diana Yam. Miss Sadaf Mehreen, Mr. Gandla Avinash. Miss Gundapalli Pujita, Miss Kalwa Premanvita. Mr. Kancharla Sai Sandeep, Miss Merlin AM. Miss Muriel Fonseca, Miss Nagati Mohana Swaruparani. Mr. Pumani P, Miss Peram Sangeeta. Miss R. Likita, Miss Priyanka L. Miss Sheikh Yasin Uzma, Miss Rudra Venela. Miss T. Manjula, Miss Sweta T. Miss Yamuna R, Miss Kshitija Sudhir. Next, BSc Anesthesia and Operation Theatre Technology, Mr. Abhinav BS, Mr. Abhimanyu Dinesan. Mr. Alan Scaria, Miss Angel Teresa Augustine. Miss Anjana KV, Miss Ansa Rose Stanley. Miss Avila Melisha Siquera, Miss Denifa SK. Miss Mariam Zuham, Miss Meghana Mohan. Miss Megha Raj, Mr. Mohammad Ajmal. Miss Connie Matthew, Mr. Ravisha. Mr. Rohit Rajiv, Miss Shahama. Miss Shaini Koyelo, Mr. Sri Gnanesham. Miss Shuruk Alam, Miss Sonia. Miss Vidyashri A, Miss Yusra Yusuf. Next, one candidate of BSc Operation Theatre Technology, Miss Devi Tirtha Yanai. Next, BSc Renal Dialysis Technology, Miss Anushree M, Miss Deekshita Deepak Naik. Miss Mariette Jose, Miss Nirnavi. Miss Vinisha Lesita Rego, Miss Zainaba Thana. Next, BSc Optometry, Miss Femi Sara Binoy, Miss Nishana James Rose. And Miss Shaima. Next, Bachelors in Hospital Administration, Miss Aifa MU, Miss Anjima Das. Miss Dia K, Miss Frida D'Souza. Mr. Harshavardhana MB, Miss Hawa Ruba. Miss Jessel Vanessa De Silva, Mr. Leslie Dilson Rosario. Miss Payal Lara Lobo, Mr. Rohan Joshi. Miss Shannon Dale was Miss Neha K. Mr. Stephen Sebastian, Mr. Venus Vivian D'Souza. Miss Vinaya PK, Mr. Yadu Krishna. Miss Zainab Zahwa. With this, we complete allied UG courses. Thank you, dear guests. I request all the allied UGs to stand, stretch your right arm forward, and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God to practice my profession with dedication and professional competence. I will consider the welfare of my patient and respect all life, human dignity and rights in the practice of my profession. I promise to abide by the laws governing my profession, follow safe work practices, and ensure patient safety at all times. Please lower your arms. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sirs, and congratulations, dear graduates.
May I now request Professor Chirishma De Silva, Principal, Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, to present the graduates of Bachelor of Physiotherapy and administer the oath of a physiotherapist. I request our chief guest to present the certificates.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to present the 32nd graduating batch of Father Muller College of Physiotherapy. Today marks a significant milestone in their academic journey, a day that reflects years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Ladies and gentlemen, with pride, I now begin calling the names of our graduating students to come forward and receive their degrees. Miss A. Aditya, Mr. Abel Anthony. Give them a big round of applause, please. Miss Aishwarya B, Miss Akshara Shri Madhu. Mr. Alan Joseph, Mr. Alan Kunjumon. Miss Alina Vincent, Mr. Alan Tom Kudyakos. Miss Amisha Shaji, Miss Andrea Machado. Miss Ashmi Satish, Mr. Aston Brito. Mr. Avinash Kumar, Miss Bhavana Babilal. Mr. Christo Thomas, Miss Korea Teresa Michael. Miss Devika PN, Miss Fatima Afrina Banu. Miss Fernandez Vanetta Arun, Mr. Franston Melrick de Souza. Miss Harshita Mohan Naik, Miss Helen Vinu Matthew. Miss Ainul Catherine Joseph, Miss Mishrat Fatima Abbasi. Mr. Ivander Romero Pinto, Miss Jasmine Jose. Miss Jeevita KM, Miss Jensel Pereira. Mr. Jaswin Jaslet, Mr. Joseph Jacob. Mr. Joshan Vijay, Ms. Joylita Priyanka Sequera. Ms. Kiara Teresa de Souza, Ms. Kripa Elizabeth Matthew. Mr. Leo Sunil K. Varghese, Ms. Manaswi N. Miss Mansi Menezes, Miss Mariambi Sheikh. Miss Madeline, Mr. Matthew Soni. Miss Merrily Ann Newnes, Miss Michelle Matthews. Miss Misbah, Miss Namrata Anil. Mr. Navneet B, Miss Neeral Jain Pinto. Miss Nikita Aji, Miss Noora Thomas. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please give them a big round of applause and encourage our dear students? Miss Prerna, Miss Rosemary Jolly. Miss Roxanne Anita, Miss S. Femina. Miss Sienna Dominic DeCosta, Miss Shancy Mendonça. Miss Chanel Mendonça, Miss Shania De Souza. Miss Sheba Sara Biju, Miss Sherin Zachariah. Miss Shloka Kirti Shetty, Miss Sienna Rodriguez. Miss Cinda Samuel, Miss Shraddha and Binu. Miss Steffi Sarah Habbi, Mr. Steve K. Habbi. Miss Subiksha T, Miss Sushmita Lalappa Lamani. Miss Sweeney Maria Colasso, Miss Welsa Archangel Banji. Thank you, dear dignitaries. As these graduates stand on the threshold of their professional journey, it is time to affirm their commitment to the values and responsibilities of physiotherapy profession. I now request all the graduates to kindly rise. Raise your right arm forward and repeat after me the oath of a physiotherapist. I shall in thought, word and deed be ever honest in the discharge of my duties and uphold the dignity and integrity of my profession and the honor and the name of my university and my alma mater. I pledge to uphold and advance social order and the well-being of my fellow members, and shall devote all my energy to promote the unity, integrity, and secular ideal of my country. I swear to sincerely endeavor to serve the afflicted, sick and ailing patients under my care, and all those who need my services to the best of my ability, without any consideration of caste, creed, or status. You may now lower your hands. Congratulations on successfully completing your academic journey and reaching this proud milestone. As you step into the noble profession of physiotherapy, we wish you great success and the very best in your future endeavors. May you carry forward the motto of our institution, that is, to heal and comfort and serve with skill, compassion, and unwavering dedication. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sirs and ma'am. Congratulations, dear graduates.
I now invite Dr. Anthony Sylvan de Souza, Dean, Father Muller Medical College, to present the graduates of MBBS and to administer the oath of a physician to the graduates. I request our dear chief guest to present the certificates to the medical graduates.
Dr. A. Ganesh, Dr. A. Kamal Dinesh. Dr. Aaron Anish, Dr. Aaron Roy Thomas. Dr. Abhijit Sharma, Dr. Abhilash. Dr. Abhirami Jayakumar, Dr. Achal Shetty. Dr. Aishwarya M. Kalgutkar, Dr. Ajay Kadri. Dr. Alina Jose, Dr. Alina Joseph. Dr. Aman Hisham, Dr. Amrita Ajit. Dr. Anaga Rajiv, Dr. Anand Krishnan B. Dr. Ankita Leela Joy, Dr. Anmol Gupta. Dr. Anne Lisha, Dr. Anne Maria Joy. Dr. Anne Marie Varghese, Dr. Anu Arun. Dr. Anushka Pramod Ullal, Dr. Aparna K. Dr. Arpita Faustina Saldanha, Dr. Ashir Samuel Palli. Dr. Ashley Voss, Dr. Aston Sneeden Sequeira. Dr. Atyant Anil Dutt, Dr. Avril Celine Pinto. Dr. Lakshmi Baliga, Dr. Bandi Vinish Reddy. Dr. Bhuvan, Dr. Bhuvita. Dr. Chakochan Quinn Tadikaran, Dr. Charita. Dr. Desi Augustine, Dr. Deepak. Dr. Deepthi Maria Raj, Dr. Delphia Maria Selva. Dr. Disha Bhatt, Dr. Eben Bobby. Dr. Elton John Furtado, Dr. Emil Boban. Dr. Fevisha Vita Fernandez, Dr. G. Ajay Prabhu. Dr. G. M. Dakshayini, Dr. G. S. Samar. Dr. Gautam Rao, Dr. Geetu Alfonsa George. Dr. George Joseph, Dr. Harsh Singh. Dr. Heber Gills, Dr. Hrishikesha Upadhyaya. Dr. Ian John Anthony Colasso, Dr. Ishika. Dr. J.P. Christy Sophia, Dr. Jane Joshua. Dr. Janice Ashita Lobo, Dr. Jaswant Ram. Dr. Jaden Aldrin Pereira, Dr. Jeeva Teresa. Dr. Janisha Carlin Gonzalez, Dr. Jennifer Joshua. Dr. Jessel John Rosario, Dr. Jonah Karen. Dr. Joel John, Dr. Joshua Antonio Fernandez. Dr. Joshua Dennis, Dr. Joylyn Menezes. Dr. Juliet Angelina Johnson, Dr. Kirtana. Dr. K. Pranav Udupa, Dr. Kevin Moses Matthias. Dr. Khadija M, Dr. Kirti Bhatt. Dr. Klein Dikunna, Dr. Krutika Sagari Nayak. Dr. K. Siddhartha Holla, Dr. Leon Lobo. Dr. Leroy Calvin Norona, Dr. Annie Anjali. I think they deserve more applause. Dr. Mahmood Fawaz, Dr. Manoj. Dr. Manish Shetty, Dr. Manish Shetty, Dr. Manoj TK. Dr. Maria Vidisha Rebello, Dr. Mario Clemencia Nikita. Dr. Mohammad Sinan, Dr. Mukul Shetty. Dr. Nandita Uday Shankar, Dr. Navya Mathod. Dr. Neha Hebbar, Dr. Neha Naijo. Dr. Nevin Binu Abraham, Dr. Nidhi Singh. Dr. Nita Biju, Dr. Olvita Sheba D'Souza. Dr. Pallavi Prashant, Dr. Parvati Prakash. Dr. Peter Suraj Joseph, Dr. Praveen Mascarenhas. Dr. Princia Marina Pais, Dr. Pritika. Dr. Rahul Sajin, Dr. Renita. Dr. Reza Thomas, Dr. Revati Mohandas. Dr. Ria Vanessa Rodriguez, Dr. Rohan Subodh Rosan. Dr. Rohit Elias Abraham, Dr. Roshan Frank D'Souza. Dr. Roshini Joseph, Dr. Rosita Sibi. Dr. S.S. Shruti, Dr. Seychelle Fatima D'Souza. Dr. Samuel Philip D'Souza. Dr. Sania Velani D'Costa, Dr. Sanjana Sharma. Dr. Sarayu Teresa Abraham, Dr. Shaniel Norona. Dr. Sharanya, Dr. Sherwin Emmanuel Padiwal. Dr. Sheetal Maria Gomez, Dr. Sheshank. Dr. Sherlyn Scaria, Dr. Shivakumar Malagimani. Dr. Srilekha Casey, Dr. Shreha Joy. Dr. Shreya Mariam Viju, Dr. Shreya Rao. Dr. Shreya Satish, Dr. Srikant. Dr. Shubhan Shetty, Dr. Smruti Ganesh. Dr. Sneha Elizabeth Manoj, Dr. Sneha Rajesh. Dr. Sonal Jaswin, Dr. Sonali Avril. Dr. Stanis Arokia Jessica, Dr. Steffi Helovia D'Souza. Dr. Steve C. Verghese, Dr. Supriya Vinisha Krasta. Dr. Shushrut Sudhir Pednekar, Dr. Swati Naikar. Dr. Tanya C. Dr. Tanya George. Dr. Vamshit Shetty, Dr. Vijay Agarwal. Dr. Vinay A, Dr. Vranda Arvind Pai. Dr. Yukta Chowdhury, Dr. Zahira Mohammad Iqbal. MBBS graduates, kindly stand. Kindly stretch your right arm forwards and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity, even under threat. I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception. I will not permit considerations of religion, nationality, race, party politics, or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided in me. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will maintain by all means in my power the honor and noble traditions of medical profession. I will treat my colleagues with all respect and dignity. I shall abide by the code of medical ethics as enunciated by the National Medical Commission. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Kindly lower your arms. Congratulations and all the best for your future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sirs, and congratulations, dear graduates. Now, we move on to the postgraduate graduates.
May I now request Mr. Sidney Roshan Rebello, Professor, Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, to present the postgraduates of Allied Health Sciences and Masters in Physiotherapy courses. I request our Honorable Chief Guest to present the certificates.
Good evening, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Today we also celebrate the remarkable journey of our postgraduates from the various departments of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences and Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, each from a different field, each with a unique journey, and each ready to make a difference in the world. So let me begin with the postgraduates of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences from the Department of Medical Laboratory Technology, Ms. Aditya K.S., Ms. Anjana Janardhan, Sister Lavina D'Souza, Ms. Mariska Fernandez, Ms. Saumya V, Mr. Vishnu Sasidharan. The following students have completed their master's degree in medical imaging technology, showing commitment, perseverance, and a passion for learning. Their journey is an inspiration to all. Ms. Ardra Roy, Ms. Arshia Begum, Mr. Mohammad Sabiq, Ms. Prema Ishwar. The next group of postgraduates have completed their master's degree in hospital administration, demonstrating strong academic growth and determination to be future leaders in the field of hospital administration. Ms. Alicia Lindsay, Mr. Amal Shajan. Sister Anita D'Souza, Miss Anusri. Miss Carol Rovina De Silva, Miss Chaitra H.A. Sister Dibello Janet Elias, Miss Divya. Miss Faldrin Mystica D'Souza, Mr. Gladstone Royston Lobo. Mr. Jason Lobo, Mr. Jitu Shaji Verghese. Miss Jorita DeCosta, Miss Lianza Pinto. Miss Nafia Fatima, Miss Nandana Baburaj. Miss Priya Sonia Rodriguez, Miss Rebecca Sanchia Lasrado. Reverend Father Rohan Michael Dias, Mr. Rohan Thomas. Miss Sangeeta, Miss Shaili J. Miss Sonal Sadashiva, Dr. Toby Tom. Miss Violeta Dorisa Pereira, Miss Vinita Rima Morris. From the Department of Clinical Psychology, we have 3 postgraduates completing their Masters in Clinical Psychology with their hard work and excellence. Miss Kavya, Miss Miriam Martin. Miss Shetty Nidhi Gopal. Finally, I present the postgraduates of Father Muller College of Physiotherapy from various specialities, ready to contribute their knowledge and skills to the world ahead. Miss Aishwarya, Miss Apurva Subramani. Miss Dikuna Lidwin Lawrence, Miss Divya Jyoti. Miss Fernandez Pearl, Miss Glivisha and Mendonça. Miss Jessica D'Souza, Miss Jamie Joseph. Miss Kiran Kumari, Mr. Menezes Dalton Dolphy. Mr. Nishchit Shetty, Mr. Pradeep KP. Miss Cheryl D'Souza, Miss Shreya. Miss Sinchana, Miss Vatsalya Sanil. And the last, Mr. Sherwin Walls. Kindly put your hands together to congratulate our dear postgraduates. Wish you all the best. Make your alma mater proud. Thank you. Have a great evening. Thank you, dignitaries.
Thank you, sirs, and congratulations, dear postgraduate graduates.
I now request Dr. Venkatesh BM, Vice Dean, Father Muller Medical College, to present the postgraduates of PG Medical Degree and the super specialty graduates. I request the chief guest to kindly present the certificates.
I am happy to announce the names of postgraduate graduates and super specialty graduates. Dr. Aaron Jovin Matthias, Dr. Ankita Adiga. Dr. Ansia D'Souza, Dr. Divya Madonna D'Souza. Dr. Ayantha Janel Martis, Dr. Gibi V. Benny. Dr. Nivedita Malavika KG, Dr. Sneha S. Dr. Ranish Dylan Saldanha, Dr. Swati N. Dr. Shreya Bhatt Giliar, Dr. Tralashwala Hiloni Biren. Dr. Yatin R, Dr. Adarsh P. Dr. Elton John Furtado, Dr. Arvind K. Dr. Lenita Rima Pinto, Dr. Sheetal. Next one. Dr. Konigo Alka. Dr. Basha Batini Harshini, Dr. Neola Fran Pinto. Dr. Sindhu M. Dr. Yashna Gopinath Shetty, Dr. Vaishnavi Ballal. Dr. Sukruta, Dr. Kezia Pauline, Dr. Kavya Vaipani, Dr. Shilpa, Dr. Tasnim Shahjan, Dr. Anukruti, Dr. Lisbeth Rose John, Dr. Bollineni Mahesh, Dr. Deepak Pritesh D'Souza, Dr. Tania Leona Pinto. Dr. Evangeline Sarah David, Dr. Emma Chaku, Dr. Joyce Cheryl D'Souza, Dr. Roshni M. Dr. Kathaja San, Dr. M. Rupali. Dr. Riya Raj, Dr. Siddhartha K. Dr. Rohan Bhatt and Dr. Kishan Mahabaleshwara. Dr. Siddhartha Siddhappa Jagolor. Dr. Himalini N. Super Speciality Graduate, DM Neurology, Dr. Abu T, Dr. IR Vignesh Sampath. DM Nephrology, Dr. Bhargavi Ram Bojaraju, Dr. Diljit Bodra. M. Surgeon. Thank you, Ugesh.
Thank you, sirs, and congratulations, dear postgraduate graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us 518 graduates and their unforgettable moment in the limelight. Join us in congratulating the fresh graduates by giving a hearty round of applause to all of them once again, and to their proud parents as well.
As a heartfelt tribute to the institution that has nurtured and shaped countless graduates, instilling in them the values of knowledge, service, and compassion, let us now rise in deep respect and gratitude for our alma mater. With reverence for its guiding spirit and the legacy it upholds, I request everyone to stand for the institutional anthem.
We come to comfort and to heal, to love and serve in woe and weal. We come to comfort and to heal, to love and serve in woe and weal.
Kindly be seated.
On behalf of the graduates of MBBS Allied Health Sciences and Physiotherapy, we have Dr. Kirti Bhatt, MBBS 2020 batch, who will now deliver the response to the graduation address, expressing the sentiments and gratitude of the graduates here today.
Somewhere between our first white coat and today's graduation robe, we stopped being students and quietly became healers. Good evening, distinguished dignitaries on and off the dais, respected faculty, dedicated healthcare staff, proud parents, and all the graduates across MBBS, Allied Health Science, Physiotherapy, Postgraduate, and Super Specialty programs. I'm truly honored and grateful for the opportunity to address the gathering on behalf of the graduating batches. Standing here today, I'm reminded of our first day. Crisp white coats, heavy textbooks, and a shared, slightly terrifying dream. Today, those coats carry stories, and the dream has become a reality. Before I begin, I bow in gratitude to the Almighty, whose grace guided us through moments of doubts, exhaustion, and hope, and brought us to this milestone. Medical education is not just a degree, it is a transformation. We learn to bridge the gap between textbooks and real lives, between knowledge and compassion. And somewhere along the way, we realize that sometimes the most powerful thing we can offer a patient is not just treatment, but a presence. And if you pause for a moment, I'm sure each one of us can remember a face, a patient who trusted us before we fully trusted ourselves. A moment when medicine stopped being theory and became human. Those moments didn't just teach how to treat, they taught us how to feel, how to listen, and how to care. None of us reached here alone. To our institution and respected management, thank you for creating an environment where we could grow not just academically, but as individuals. From well-equipped laboratories, clinical facilities, to opportunities in research, cultural activities, sports, and leadership, you gave us a platform to explore, to learn, and to discover ourselves. Our campus was not just a place of education, it was a space that nurtured curiosity and confidence. And beyond academics, some of our most cherished memories were built through interbatch events and intercolleges fests. We all remember the adrenaline, the preparation, the teamwork, the late night practices, wins, losses, and the laughter in between. All of these brought us closer and created bonds that will last a lifetime. To our teachers and mentors, especially in our first year when we were anxious and unsure, you guided us, reassured us, and believed in us. You gave us not only knowledge, but confidence, direction, and strength. To our internship and in various departments we worked in, these experiences nurtured us deeply and brought us closer to the true needs of the hour, serving humanity with patience, eagerness, and discipline. These practical experiences strengthened our commitment and reminded us time and again of what it truly means to be a medical professional, to serve with dedication and resilience. To every member of the hospital staff, nurses, technicians, and support teams, thank you for being the silent pillars of our learning and for showing us what true patient care looks like. To those who made our hostel and campus life safe and supportive, thank you for giving us a home away from home where friendships grew and resilience was built. To our parents, you are the reason we stand here today. You supported us through every challenge, every doubt, and every sacrifice, emotional, physical, and even financial. This achievement belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. To my fellow graduates, we've seen each other at our most exhausted, most uncertain, but also at our strongest. We grew together, and today we stand here together. As we step forward, our degrees and titles are not just achievements, they are responsibilities, a promise to remain humble, to keep learning, and to never lose the empathy that brought us here. William J. Mayo once said, "The aim of medicine is to prevent disease and prolong life. The ideal of medicine is to eliminate the need of a physician." We may not reach that ideal today, but we can strive every single day to be the kind of healthcare professionals the world truly needs. Congratulations, all the graduates. We came here with dreams, and today we leave with purpose. On behalf of all the graduates, I assure our institution that we will strive to serve humanity at every level and make you proud, not only as skilled professionals, but as compassionate human beings in the medical fraternity. I extend my heartfelt best wishes to all my fellow graduates for their future endeavors. May we continue to grow, to heal, and to make a difference wherever we go. And to our institution, may it continue to inspire, nurture, and serve humanity with the same excellence and dedication for generations to come, and uplift the motto of Father Muller's, heal and comfort. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kirti Bhatt, for beautifully reminiscing about your journey in this institution and for expressing your heartfelt gratitude to your alma mater.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to honor the meritorious graduates for their outstanding performance in academics and other fields. I request Dr. Smita Bhatt, Professor and Head of the Department of General Medicine, to announce the names of the awardees. I kindly request our honorable guest, Professor Dr. Airani Mohammed Khan, to award the meritorious students.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, dear students, colleagues, and parents, I'm very happy to announce the academic prizes of the various colleges under Father Muller Charitable Institutions. The awardees have brought glory to our institution. Starting with Father Muller Medical College, for the final MBBS Part 2 examinations held in February 2024. The late Reverend Dr. Lawrence D'Souza Prize for overall highest marks, the late Srimati and Sri M. Ramana Alva Prize sponsored by Dr. J.P. Alva in memory of his parents for highest marks in medicine, and the Professor Bharati V. Baliga Prize for highest marks in obstetrics and gynecology. They have all been won by Dr. Kritika Sagari Nayak. A big hand for Dr. Kritika. The Professor B. Sanjeev Rai Prize for the highest marks in pediatrics has been won by Dr. Supriya Vinisha Krasta. The late Professor S. Raghunath Shetty Prize for highest marks in surgery, including orthopedics, won by Dr. Maria Vidhisha Rebello. Now we are coming to Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences. These prizes for the exams conducted in November 2025. The highest marks in final BSc Medical Laboratory Technology University exam awarded to Ms. Taskin Taraf. For final BSc Medical Imaging Technology to Sister Julia Joy. Highest marks in final year BSc Radiotherapy Technology to Ms. F. Sadaf Mehereen and Ms. Maral Fonseca. Highest marks in BSc Anesthesia and Operation Theatre Technology University exam awarded to Ms. Drishya PS. Highest marks in BSc Renal Dialysis Technology, Ms. Mariette Jose and Ms. Nirnavi. The highest marks in BSc Optometry, Ms. Shaima. The highest marks in 5th and 6th semester Bachelor's in Hospital Administration, the exams held both in May 25 and November 25, awarded to Ms. Hawa Ruba. The prize sponsored by Mr. Wilson Disa in memory of late Salvador Disa, Kalyanpur, for securing the highest aggregate marks in 3rd and 4th semester Masters in Hospital Administration University exam held in May and November 2025, Sister Anita D'Souza. The highest marks in final year MSc Medical Lab Technology, the exam held in November 2025, awarded to Ms. Mariska Fernandez. Highest marks secured in final year MSc Medical Imaging Technology for the exam held in November 2025, awarded to Ms. Adra Roy. And for the highest marks secured in final year MSc Clinical Psychology to Ms. Miriam Martin. Now coming to the Physiotherapy Department. The late Father Lawrence V.M. Fernandez Memorial Prize for securing the highest marks overall in BPT, as well as the Father Ignatius D'Souza Award for securing the highest marks in physiotherapy subjects, Ms. Misbah. Highest marks secured in final year BPT University exam held in November 2025, awarded to Ms. Sina Dominic DeCosta. And for the highest marks secured in the final year Master of Physiotherapy University exam to Ms. Dikunna Lidwin Lawrence. Very well done, all of you. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We now have the presentation of awards to the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences Rank Holder Awards to the meritorious students. For this, I now request Dr. Sudhir Prabhu H., Professor and Head of the Department of Community Medicine, to announce the names of the awardees of the RGHS rank holders. May I request the awardees to kindly remain on stage for a group photograph at the end. I kindly request our guest, Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, to award the meritorious students.
Good evening, everyone. The following students have secured overall ranks in the university examinations held by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. Starting with super speciality degree in university examination held in November 2025, DM Nephrology, Dr. Bhargavi Rama Bhojaraju, University rank 4. DM Nephrology, Dr. Diljit Bodra, rank 6. DM Neurology, Dr. Abuti, University rank 7. DM Neurology again, Dr. Iyer Vignesh Sampath, rank 8. Can I request the audience to give a round of applause? Thank you so much. MCH Urology, Dr. Sajal Gupta. PG Medical Degree in University Examination held in September 2025. MD Dermatology, Venereology and Leprosy, Dr. Swati Nagabhushan, rank 1. MD Dermatology again, Dr. Ankita Adiga, rank 7. MD Dermatology, Dr. Divya Madonna D'Souza, rank 10. MS Otorhinolaryngology, Dr. Tasneem Shahjahan, rank 6. MS Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. Shilpa, University rank 1. MS OBG, Dr. H.S. Sukruta, rank 2. MS OBG again, Dr. Kezia Pauline, rank 3. MD Psychiatry, Dr. Vaishnavi Ballal, rank 5. MBBS examination, Dr. Kritika Sagri Nayak, MBBS overall. MBBS, Dr. Kritika Sagri Nayak, MBBS overall, University rank 10, MBBS Phase 3 Part 1, rank 5, and MBBS Phase 3 Part 2, rank 7. PG Allied courses, ranks in university examination held in November 2025. Master in Hospital Administration, Sister Anita D'Souza, rank 2. Miss Rebecca Sanchia Lasrado, rank 10. Dr. Kritika, can we request you to be on stage, please? MSc Medical Imaging Technology, Miss Ardra G. Roy, University rank 1. Miss Arshia Begum, rank 4. Mr. Mohammad Sabiq, rank 4. Miss Prema Ishwar, rank 5. MSc Clinical Psychology, Miss Miriam Martin, rank 5. MSc Medical Laboratory Technology, Miss Anjana Janardhan, rank 5. Sister Lavina D'Souza, rank 5. Miss Aditya KS, rank 6. Miss Mariska Fernandez, rank 7. Coming to Master of Physiotherapy, Miss Dikuna Lidwin Lawrence, MPT Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Sciences, University rank 4. Miss Aishwarya, MPT in Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Sciences, rank 10. Miss Divya Jyoti, MPT in Pediatrics, rank 4. Miss Apurva Subramuni, MPT Pediatrics, rank 6. UG Allied Courses, overall ranks, BSc Radiotherapy Technology, Miss Rudra Vandela, rank 2. Miss Serena Carissa Cardoza, rank 5. Mr. Vishwas M. Shetty, rank 8 and rank 7. BSc Anesthesia and Operation Theatre Technology, Miss Irene Matthews, rank 8. Miss Aisha Zaifa, rank 4. BSc Medical Imaging Technology, Miss Akshata Vigas, rank 2. Miss Melisha D'Souza, rank 8. Congratulations to all the winners and proud parents. Thank you, Chief Guests, for distributing the prizes. Thank you.
I request everybody to stay back. The presentation of the best outgoing students and the President's Gold Awards is yet to happen.
Thank you, sirs. Congratulations to all the winners. May you aspire to achieve loftier goals.
This is the moment many have been waiting for. I now invite Reverend Dr. Michael Santumayar, Administrator of Father Muller Medical College, College of Allied Health Sciences, and College of Physiotherapy to announce the awardees of Academic Excellence Awards, Sports Recognition Awards, Best Outgoing Students of the Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences and Father Muller College of Physiotherapy, and the coveted FMCI President's Gold Medal. I request His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese, to honor the awardees.
Dear dignitaries and my dear students and parents, after meticulously following the institutional selection criteria and scrutinizing the students' performance, at this moment I am elated to stand before you and to declare the notable achievements of an outstanding student who have made both the institution and their parents proud. Here we are happy to announce the Academic Excellence Award, Best Dissertation Award for the medical postgraduate instituted by Dr. B. Sanjeev Rai for the year 2025, awarded to Dr. Siddharth Siddappa Jugyagol, Department of Orthopedics. Silver medal for the best outgoing postgraduate student, awarded 2025 in the Department of General Medicine, sponsored by Dr. Venkata B.M. in memory of his parents, late Patel B.T. Panjappa Gowda and late Srimati Chinnamma. It goes to Dr. Ansia D'Souza. With a big applause, please. Silver medal for the best outgoing postgraduate student award 2025 in the Department of Pediatrics, sponsored by Dr. Sabita Ansari in memory of late Dr. S.V. Ansari, pediatrician, Kannur. It goes to Dr. Himalini Yan. Please give a big clap. The Best Undergraduate Research Award for the year 2025, instituted by MBBS Alumni 1999 batch, is awarded to only Dr. Resha Thomas. Now the sports achievements. Mr. Rupesh Raghunatha Prabhu of Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences has represented Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Mangaluru in the South Zone Inter-University Kabaddi Men AIU tournament for the year 2025-26 and won so many medals. Mr. R. Vaibhav Sheth of Father Muller Medical College has represented Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences of Karnataka, Mangaluru in All India Inter-University Aquatic Men and Women tournament for the year 2025-26. Ms. Caroline Shreya Sharavo of Father Muller's Medical College has represented Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Badminton Women tournament for the year 2025-26. Mr. Jacob Nampokadam Jacob of the Father Muller Medical College has represented RGH Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Basketball Men tournament for the year 2025-26. Mr. Akshay Hegde of Father Muller Medical College has represented RGHS Karnataka, Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Hockey Men tournament for the year 2025-26. Mr. Adit John of Father Muller Medical College has represented RGUHS Karnataka, Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Table Tennis Men tournament for the year 25-26. Ms. Ridhya Warrior of Father Muller Medical College has represented Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Basketball Women Tournament for the year 2025-26. Mr. Atish Bishetty of Father Muller Medical College has represented RGUHS, Karnataka, Mangaluru in South Zone Inter-University Chess Men Tournament for the year 2025-26. Dr. G.S. Samrath of Father Muller Medical College has represented RGUHS Karnataka, Mangaluru in the South Zone Inter-University Badminton Men Tournament for the year 2025-26. Dr. Anu Arun of Father Muller Medical College has represented Rajiv Gandhi University and Mangaluru in the South Zone Inter-University Basketball Women Tournament for the year 2025-26. Now, the Best Outgoing Graduate Award for the year 2025 goes to late John Linu Varghese Memorial Prize for the Best Outgoing Graduate of BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy for the year 2025, only Miss Ishrat Fatima Abbasi. Miss Ishrat Fatima. Yeah, please give her a big applause. These awards were not announced earlier, therefore it is in secret. So please be ready, 3 more are there. Here is the Best Outgoing Allied Health Science Graduate of the College, Miss Mariam Zuam, PS, Department of BSc ATOT. Please come quickly. And here is the most awaited award of the year of this institution, FMCI President's Gold Medal for the Best Outgoing MBBS Graduate for the year 2025, awarded to, it's only Dr. Krutika Sagari Nayak.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Congratulations to the winners. You have indeed made yourselves and your parents and the institution proud. May you continue to excel and be inspired to achieve many more accolades along your professional journey.
We are privileged to have with us Honorable Professor Dr. Irani Mohammed Khan, Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, as our dear guest. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and gracing us with your presence today. I now request His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of the Mangalore Diocese, and all the dignitaries to felicitate our dear Chief Guest on behalf of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. We are also honored to have with us Dr. S. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director, Directorate Medical Education, Govt of Karnataka. We are proud to have you with us on this solemn occasion, sir. I once again request His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha and other dignitaries to kindly felicitate our dear guests. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, sir.
As all memorable occasions do, this event too must come to a close. To deliver the vote of thanks, I now warmly welcome Reverend Dr. Michael Santamayer, Administrator of Father Muller Medical College, Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences, and Father Muller College of Physiotherapy to propose the vote of thanks.
dignitaries on the dais and in front of the dais. As the Holy Scripture reminds us, every good and perfect gift is from above. Indeed, this day stands as a testimony to His abundant grace. At the very outset, we bow our heads in humble gratitude to the Almighty for His protection and for granting us the opportunity to celebrate yet another year of graduation. It is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this joyous and memorable occasion of the graduation ceremony of the undergraduate and graduate, postgraduates of the students of Father Muller Medical College, College of Physiotherapy, College of Allied Health Sciences. As it is rightly said, a true spiritual leader kindles light in others so they may walk confidently on their own path. We express our deepest gratitude to our President, His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, the Bishop of Mangalore and the President of FMCI for presiding over this august gathering. Your inspiration and your presence and also constant encouragement and fatherly blessings continue to guide this institution on the path of excellence. Thank you, dear Bishop, for being an encouraging and enduring source of wisdom and strength for us. As the saying goes, true dedication is revealed not in ease, but in the willingness to honor a commitment despite every constraint. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our chief guest, Professor A.M. Khan, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University, Dharwad, a close friend and well-wisher of us, now elevated to the distinguished office of the Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University. Dear sir, your presence today, despite an exceptional demanding schedule and a long journey from Dharwad to Bangalore and onward to Mangalore, followed by your immediate return, speaks volumes of your commitment. We sincerely thank you, sir, for your inspiring address and for the conferring the degrees upon our graduates. Great leaders are those who rise to the moment when they are needed the most. Our sincere thanks to Dr. Venkata Raghava, Joint Director of Medical Education, and our esteemed Chief Guest for graciously accepting our invitation at a short notice when unforeseen circumstances left us uncertain. Your readiness to step in despite your demanding schedule brought great reassurance. We thank you for your valuable presence and your motivating message, sir. The essence of the leadership lies in taking responsibility and bridging the future into the present. We gratefully acknowledge our Director Service for the visionary leadership and also steadfast guidance that continue to strengthen this institution and inspire its growth. Our sincere thanks to the hospital administrators, Reverend Father Jeevan Sikuvera, Assistant Administrator Reverend Father Rohan, Father William, and all the priests of the institution for their dedicated selfless service. We extend our appreciation to the members of the Governing Council, the Centenary Society Committee, and the Advisory Committee for their constant encouragement, guidance, and unwavering support. A heartfelt thanks to Dean of the Medical College, Dr. Anthony D'Souza, Vice Dean Dr. Venkatesha B.M., Dr. Shivashankara, Principal of Allied Health Sciences, and Professor Charisma De Silva, Principal of College of Physiotherapy, for their dedicated efforts and leadership in ensuring the success of this program. We thank also Dr. Uday Kumar, the Medical Superintendent, Deputy Medical Superintendent, heads of the departments, and all faculty members for their tireless efforts in shaping these graduates into competent, compassionate, and committed professionals. We gratefully acknowledge the presence of priests, religious sisters, and all our distinguished guests. We also acknowledge with sincere gratitude the contribution of our supportive staff and religious sisters of the institution, whose silent and dedicated service ensures the smooth and efficient functioning of all our endeavors. Dear students, graduation is not merely a milestone, but a lifelong commitment. to serve, to heal, to care, and to strive for the excellence. We remain grateful to you for keeping this campus vibrant and a true center of learning. We wish you every success in your noble mission of healing and service. Dear parents, we are deeply grateful for your perseverance, sacrifice, and the trust you have placed in this institution by entrusting your sons and daughters to us. Today, they stand as accomplished medical professionals, and their achievement is as much as yours as ours too. Therefore, we thank you. Our appreciation goes to Master of the Ceremony, the logistic and the event management team, the sound, photography, LED display, and live telecast teams, media personnel, volunteers, staff, and all those who are working behind the scene, whose meticulous effort have made this event a grand success. Again, as we conclude, let us remember gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. With heartful thanksgiving, we bring this ceremony to a graceful close. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Father.
We have now reached the end of the ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to rise as we honor our nation with the singing of the national anthem. Thank you. Kindly be seated.
As a gesture of respect and gratitude, I request you all to remain standing as the dignitaries leave the hall. Thank you, one and all.
We have arranged for selfie booths for all the dashing graduates to make and cherish today's memories. Kindly make use of them and refrain from taking any pictures here within the auditorium. I request the invitees and guests to kindly proceed to the Muller Dine for refreshments. Kindly show the coupons you have received at the counters assigned for the same. Our volunteers will guide you.
We are pleased to inform you that Muller's Cosmeceuticals, a new initiative of the Father Muller Charitable Institutions, was launched yesterday. To make this special occasion, a 40% launch offer on MRP is available at the Muller Dine. We warmly invite you to visit and make use of the opportunity. Thank you.
All is well that ends well. I, Dr. Delon,
And I, Dr. Burton,
bid you all a farewell. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Have a lovely evening ahead.